Now let's call Mr. Ankit Bhatnagar, and actually a lot of people are not familiar about him. So he is a member of Voice and Accent Training. Let's call him. Please clap, guys, for him.
So first of all, thank you so much, Ayan sir, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to attend this workshop. And thank you so much for sharing the link of this workshop to attend, because I had never attended such kind of workshop before. And of course, the whatever the topics that you have covered in your entire workshop, all the topics were really very significant for each and every one of us, because most of the working professionals are attending this kind of workshop. And of course, the kind of things that you have explained, everything that you have explained so gracefully, and I could understand each and every little things based on every specific area that you mentioned about, whether it was about corporate trainings, or what are the do's and don'ts that we should not do, or we should always remember before we appear for any interview session. And of course, from the very beginning, whether it is about the significance of public speaking skills, and it is about how exactly we are supposed to present ourselves, what is the importance of good communication skills, and what are the things that can actually leave an amazing impact on our people, whosoever is going to pay their attention to us, and how we can actually leave a very good impact among so many people. So I would say, I answer, like, you have been a very energetic person I have ever seen till date. Like, you have been taking this seminar, you have been taking this workshop since 10 o'clock, and having seen you, I don't think that you are exhausted even after speaking so much. It's like you still have so much energy to give many more hour duration session, and you're not looking tired. And by seeing you, we are also getting energy. We are also getting a lot of positivity. We think that we people can also bring about a massive change, because what, as far as I know about you, like, you even talked about the voice and accent sessions as well. And I'm so glad to be a mentee of yours of voice and accent, because the way you teach and the way you guide, it's phenomenal. And of course, that's the thing that you said, that there are very rare trainers of voice and accent who are teaching in India, and you are one of them. And I'm so glad to have you as my mentor. And of course, it has been an amazing experience of mine attending this workshop, because it has been so helpful for each one of us. And thank you so much, people, for giving your precious time and to attend this workshop, because if you would have missed this workshop, so definitely you would have missed a lot of things. And I would definitely recommend so many people to attend such kind of workshop if conducted in future as well. So I would definitely recommend people to attend and to get a lot of knowledge from Aayan sir. Thank you, sir.
Great, right? Clap, guys. Right?